MSI Creator M16 16-inch 60Hz QHD plus content creation laptop, 13th Gen Intel Core i7, RTX 4060, 32GB DDR5, 1TB NVMe SSD, 180° lay flat, USB 3.2 Type-C, HDMI, Win 11 Home, Black B13 VF453 US. About this item. Latest Gen 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, elite gaming and professional content creation, anywhere. Game, stream, and record without interruption. Simplistic design, enjoy the latest generation Windows 11 Home for your everyday needs. MSI recommends Windows 11 Pro for business use. Beyond fast, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU powered by the Ada architecture unleashes the full glory of ray tracing, which simulates how light behaves in the real world. QHD Plus display. The 16-inch 1610 60Hz 100% DCI-P3 display delivers abundant color gamut, more vivid colors and details for editing. Flip and share. With a 180° lay flat and the ultra-thin bezels that maximizes screen real estate, the Creator M16 makes it easy to share your inspiration with coworkers uninterruptedly.
Thank you for watching Gadgets Hunt. Don't forget to subscribe.